上次搭飞机大概是2年前了吧，2019年，那时候我只有去澳门，有点久没搭飞机，其实还是有点紧张，自己一个人飞要飞。不过我刚刚已经把就是 podcast 啊、YouTube Music， 还有一些 Netflix 的影片都下载下来了。晚点见。Nice to meet you. Thank you. Have a good night.
You too.
Yeah,
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Have a good night.